Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Honda Civic. Guys, we're talking about that generation here, year 2016 to year 2021. If you need to find where the air conditioner fuse is located, guys, you have one for the AC clutch and you have one for the air conditioner system. Stay with us, we'll explain where the AC fuse is located. If you need to find the AC clutch fuse, we have the video on the channel as well. We'll explain why it's important to test fuses, relays, that way you don't waste time and money, and where to buy cheap fuses from, because they can be really overpriced or hard to find. All that will be covered today for your convenience. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. On this channel you will be able to find, guys, a video for every fuse on your Honda Civic, guys, if you have that generation from year 2016 to year 2021. Why we make these videos? To save you time and money. Let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, because without that fuse practically the car will not be running if it's blown. You can just search for it and find it instantly and know which fuse to check, because even in the manual, okay, the fuses are under different names that could be really hard to diagnose. Now, another thing, guys, we're constantly working on things, taking engines apart, transmissions, fixing cars, and we have 3 channels that we have more than 1.1 million subscribers altogether on these channels, guys, that we daily put content that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs as well. So let's go ahead, explain now where you can find all the fuses. Another thing now here, guys, okay, you will have different kind of fuses on your Honda Civic, guys. Some of those could be really hard to find. Okay, we're talking about some multi-fuses, multi-block fuses right here. Those could be really expensive, hard to find, impossible to find in small towns or in the middle of nowhere. Relays can be overpriced as well. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get practically all the fuses and relays at a really good price and quick shipping as well. That way you don't waste your money, guys. So let's go ahead, start on it and explain about the fuses now. We're going to demonstrate here on a 2017 Honda Civic that we have here at the garage, guys, and the AC fuse that we have here now will be inside the vehicle. If you come on the driver's side under the dash, if you look upside down, you get your head there, you're going to see a fuse box like that. This is the OBD port right here, so we're going to zoom in a little bit, that way you can clearly see the fuses. And before we guys continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses, relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Fuse that we'll need to check here, you can see the fuses are labeled. 1 through 13 is in this row, 14 through 26 here, 27 through 39 here. So the fuse that we'll need to check in our case will be fuse number 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. The 10M fuse will need to be checked right here, guys. If your AC system doesn't work, check that fuse. There is a fuse for the AC clutch that will be on the channel as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.